Hey guys, welcome back to Knowledge Life SolidWorks tutorial series. In the previous video, I have explained about the SolidWorks sweep command. So in this video, I'm going to create some model by using the SolidWorks sweep command. You can see in your screen, this is the model that we're going to design in this video. This is an elbow. You can see here. So let's open a part first. Click on the new. Click on the part and go for OK. Here you can see the by default unit is mm/second, so let it be. I will select here the front plane. Click on the front plane, go for the sketch, and I will take a line which is like this. Click on the line, come like this, and like this. I'll be giving the dimension here for both the lines. This is 150, and for this line the dimension is 150. I'll go for the fillet right now, and I'll be giving the fillet radius which is 90. So click here and give the fillet radius 90. Now go with the OK. Now you can see your sketch is fully defined. So come out from the sketch. I'll go for the plane. Click on the plane, and here I want to create a reference plane. I'll just click on this sketch and I will go for this point. Now you can see here I have created here one plane. Already I have explained how to create the planes in a separate video. The link is given in the description box. If you want to study, you can study those videos also. So select this plane and go for the sketch. Make it normal to the plane. Here I will draw two circles. So click on the circle. This is the first one, and this is the second one. Now I will give the dimension for both the circle. The outer one having the diameter 97. And the inner one having the diameter 65. Now you can see here your sketch is getting ready and fully defined. Come out from this. I'll be going for the command called sweep boss base. Now you can see my profile is getting selected, and I will go with the path, and this is my path. Now just go with the OK. Now you can see here this is my model. Now I will go for the sketch once again. Click on this face and go for the sketch and make it normal to the plane. I will just do here one convert entities. Click on the outer edge and go for the convert entities. And I'll draw here one more circle. I'll be giving the diameter of that circle 2 to 5. Now you can see here it's looking like this. So exit from the sketch and go for the extruded boss base. I'll just reverse the direction, and I'll be giving the extruded height of 20 mm. Just go with the OK. Here I will select this face, go for the sketch, make it normal to the plane, and here I will create a circle. I'm not going to use the whole command because I didn't explain it still. And you can place it anywhere like this, and I'll be giving the diameter 15. And you can see here the PCD has given 185, so I'll be just giving the dimension. Or else you can do one thing, click on this circle and draw one more circle, give the dimension 185. And convert this circle into construction geometry and give the relation this and this circle having the relation coincident. Now you can see here still it's not getting fully defined, blue in color. Click on this center point and this origin, give the relation horizontal. Now you can see it's getting fully defined. Come out from the sketch and go for the command called extruded cut and select the sketch and give the extruded cut up to next. Just go with this. Okay. Now you can see here, I'll just go for the pattern right now. Click on the circular pattern, select this surface as reference, give the number of instances here 6 and just go with the OK. Now I will choose here front plane and go for the sketch once again. Make it normal to the plane. Now I will just do here one thing. Click on this and I will convert this edge into sketch entities. Click on this and convert into construction geometry. Now I will select here line and I will draw a sketch which is like this. Give the dimension from here to here, having the vertical distance which is 40 and from here to here having the horizontal distance 30. Now you can see here your sketch is getting ready. Come out from the sketch and go for the features called rib. Here I will just reverse the directions and give the rib thickness which is 10 mm and just go with the OK. Now you can see here your rib has created. Select this rib and go for the circular pattern once again and select this edge as reference and give the number of input which is 3. Just go with the OK. Now I will select here the front plane and click on the sketch. Make it normal to the plane and I will go for the line command here. I will choose here center line for construction geometry and just make a line like this, and I will go for the dimension here. Click on this line and click on this point and I will be giving the angle here with the base which is 45 degree. So I will be giving there 45 degree. Now come out from the sketch, go for the plane. I just click on this and I will choose here the front plane and I will choose here in the second reference this sketch. Now you can see here one plane has generated. Just go with the OK. Now I will go for the mirror command with respect to this plane and there I will be selecting this extrude base boss, this circular cut, this pattern, this circular pattern. Just go with the OK. Now if you want you can hide this plane and this sketch. Now you can see here your model is getting ready. If you want you can change the background here, and if you want you can apply any other appearance also. I will change the view mode. So guys, hope you have enjoyed these tutorials. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get such type of more videos on SolidWorks and other CAD software. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.